We are doing a mock prom night collision. So we understand that prom is coming up for our local high schools, and we set up a mock collision scene to warn students who are going to partake in prom the dangers that could be associated with making poor decisions.
I think it's really important to let people know that drinking and driving isn't okay, so when I got asked to be in it, I was super excited to be a part of that. I was a passenger in one of the cars that got in a wreck, and I had to be meta-flighted.
We want all of our students in Lawton Public Schools and surrounding towns to have a good, fun, safe night. But again, you got to make those smart decisions, those good choices, and bad choices can lead to what we saw today. I think the students got the message clearly that if they do make poor decisions, a bad consequence can happen.
So I think a lot of the time people's mindsets are, hey, if I'm drinking, it's just once, nothing's gonna happen, but it's important to know that it just takes once for someone's life to completely change and your own life. So being able to put this on and show people that your actions do have consequences has been really important. Prom can be fun without alcohol, and it's not a necessity for prom night, so just be smart and be safe.